Great space and floor plan for this move-in ready Pelican Bay home. This is a 3-bedroom/2.5 bath home with 1-year-old roof, split bedrooms, a formal dining room, office, and a horizon sunroom. Features include wood and tile flooring, arched doorways, columns, French doors, crown molding, built-in bookshelves, recessed lighting. The air conditioner was also recently replaced and the entire interior has been repainted. The kitchen has brand new stainless steel stove oven and a fridge, and the countertops are granite. The master bath has double vanities, a whirlpool tub and a separate shower, and you can access the sunroom from 2 bedrooms as well as the living area. Off the sunroom is a pergola covered brick-paver patio with comfy swing. Pelican Bay offers its residents a community pool and room, and there is also a lovely walking trail. You're only minutes from nearby shopping, the beach, marinas and golf courses. All info is approximately and must be verified by buyers if important.